Gotta get the cookie me frappe of the chips and hoy drink, coffee or something. I don't know if it is a coffee or a shake, but let's go enter here. I think it's gonna be canceled because I don't want to have any food allergies. Alright, so everybody, we're in White Plains. They installed some snowflakes in Main Street. Wow. They had Christmas snowflakes. Look nice. Finished the tour. Yes. Of the installed snowflakes in Main Street, White Plains. Yeah. Alright, that's it. We're home now.